everyone, I'm Dati Saisba from second CSC. Now I'm going to present you about my website. Let us see. My website name is SVECWBOOKHUB and it consisting of the following .html files along with the web folder. Let us go into it. Before going to see the what is the file contains, let us see how it looks. To see it, let me go to the where I deployed. I have deployed in program files and in that, excuse me, in the program files and in that Apache Software Foundation and in the Tomcat 8.5 in web apps. And I have deployed my I have named it as the login and I have deployed it here. And let me show you how it looks. After deploying I have started. For that I am going to the bin and I click on startup. Then my Tomcat will be startup as you can see. And after that you can see that this one my page will be displayed. Then I will give them my username and password like Kiran and my password and review. And when I click on login, then it will be directed to the next page. And if it is an invalid user, then you can get an error message. And in that, you can see that there are categories first year, second year, third and fourth year. And if you click on first year, then it will be directed to the first year books where you can see what are the books in the first year, and you can preferably have the options like download, reserve, and buy. Based on your requirements, you can do it, and you can know its cost too. And if I click on download, then the book will be downloaded and this will be displayed. Similarly for the buy too, and for the reserve, it is also same. And coming to the buy, then you will get a page, registration page. Here you can fill the details and submit, so that you have to fill those details and you will get it. Uh, and coming to my web structure, let us see the files. Let me show my login files. Yeah. We know that the web folder consisting of web.xml and classes. Let me show you the web.xml. We know that it is used for the mapping, and I want to show you in detail. As you can see, I am mentioning here the version of it. And in web apps, we know that there will be three types: servlet mapping, and welcome file list. And further, there are two subtypes. And for the name, it is the login servlet, and I am mapping for that the name is, and this is the URL pattern. For that we have to specify the slash. And coming to the welcome file list, we can see that I'm saying that going to the index.html, and coming to that we know that the classes, it consisting of .java file, that is login servlet. Let me show you the code. First I am importing the statements, and then I am doing extending the HTTP servlet, and here I am using the do post method, so that we in the action we have to use the in the method we have to use the post, and for action we will direct to this. Okay, it may throw the exceptions and I wrote it. And here I am doing the connections. Here I am doing the connections, and this may raise the exceptions, so I am keeping it in the try block. And here I am reading the parameters, and to print we use the print writer object, right? That's it. And here I compiled, so the dot class file will be generated. This is an important thing we have to remember to generate it. And coming to this .html files, already I have shown in the course activity one, and briefly I will show it here also. Here I use the index.html. Let me open it and show for you. As you can see, I said that method is equal to post and action is equal to dot slash login. So this are two things that are important, and other things that are important is name. Here we have to specify the names that need to be specified as before I showed you in .java file for extracting using the get parameters method. And coming to the, after going to the index, we are going to the frame set, right? I showed you that page before, right? To show it, we divided the page. For that, we know that for divisions of pages, we use the frame tag. Let me show you once again. See, I'm using a frame set tag, and I am dividing the frame into two parts. That is, one is for categories and another is for description. And for that categories.html, I wrote here code, and for descriptions, I wrote one more HTML file. Let me show you that one also once. As you can see, for styling I use it CSS. That is also I specified in the style tag, and I used a table to generate that type of pattern. I'm going through this. You can see that I am aligning with the center. We know that all the tags, right? And in a table, in the table rows, table data, I am aligning the first year, second years, etc. And going to the categories of the description. As I open, you can see it before, right? That one I have specified here. And coming to that of I told that I have seen I showed all the files, and same by also it will be look like this description file where I specified the categories. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.